Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix when your COD Warzone profile has been signed up.
Hey, what is up, everyone? So, if you're having troubleshoot problems with your COD Warzone, that notice your profile was signed out and then you are forced to restart your game. So, here's one way how to fix it. You want to go and navigate to your setting on your COD Warzone, go to settings, and then go to audio and then change your voice chat game voice channel into all lobby. So the developers said that it might be one of the problems that may have a bug to your COD or COD Warzone. So according here is that the first thing you should do when starting troubleshoot the error message in question is to change your in-game voice channel. COD Modern Warfare or Warzone 2 has a channel feature that allows you to communicate with your friends and other players in your game. In most cases, we have found that changing your game voice channel to all lobby has fixed the issue. And that is why we need to change our voice chat game voice channel into all lobby to help you fix your troubleshoot sign in.